At this point, all the tank plumbing is done. The collectors and tubing connections have all been made, and the solar controller and all the sensors are installed. It's time to get the system up and running. Remove the aerator screen from a faucet in the home and turn on the hot water. As an alternate method, you can open the hot water on a bathtub faucet. Next, open the main water valve to the house. Then, open the water valve to the water heater. This will purge the system of air as the water heater fills. Check for any leaks and repair as needed. Once you are certain all of the air is purged, turn off the faucet and reinstall the aerator screen. Finally, turn on the water heater. If you're using an electric water heater, turn the circuit breaker on. If you're using a gas water heater, turn on the gas and follow the instructions on your water heater to light the pilot. Inspect the tank fittings for leaks and tighten if needed. Using a garden hose, fill the drain back tank with water to the top of the sight glass. Make sure the garden hose is free from debris before filling the tank. For additional freeze protection or for systems with the lower roof jack above the bottom header, add 3 gallons of FAFCO heat transfer fluid to each drain back tank prior to filling with water. Once the drain back tank is full, inspect the fitting for leaks. Plug the circulation module directly into a 120-volt AC outlet and listen to ensure the pumps turn on. Within 5 minutes, the water level inside the drain back tank will stabilize. Inspect all tank fittings for leaks and tighten if needed. If the drain back tank is noisy, adjust the throttling valve. Do not turn the valve handle more than 1/8 of a turn, as this can completely stop the flow. Plug the circulation module into the bottom of the solar controller and make sure the controller is switched to auto. The 200 series solar water heating system is designed to operate trouble-free for many years, but during installation, various factors might keep it from functioning properly. Here are a few tips that could help get things up and running correctly if the install didn't turn out as planned. If the system doesn't turn on as expected, place your hand on the circulation module. You should feel a slight vibration and hear a slight hum. Be careful, as some of the surfaces may be hot. If the system is not activating, confirm that the power cord is plugged into a working 120-volt AC outlet. Confirm that the power cord is firmly plugged into the controller power jack. The display should show water temperature in the water heater water storage tank. Ensure the controller switch is set to auto. Verify that all sensor wires are firmly attached and functioning properly. Verify the roof temperature is at least 10 degrees hotter than the lower tank temperature. Verify that the upper tank temperature is less than the selected max water temp. If the system shows signs of leaking, check the fittings and tighten the fitting or push the tube fully into the fitting. Refer to the section in the manual on the proper procedure for installing tube fittings. If the leak is coming from inside the circulation module, contact FAFCO for further instruction. If the leak is coming from the solar collector panel body, a tube repair kit may be used to plug one or more tubes. If the leak is coming from the solar collector header, contact FAFCO for further instruction. If the system is low on hot water, run these checks. If the system has 2 tanks or an on-demand heater, refer to the water heater manufacturer's operation manual to troubleshoot. If the system has 1 electric water heater tank, suggest to the homeowner reducing or spacing out their hot water usage. Consider installing low-flow shower heads and other low-flow hot water fixtures. Consider upgrading to a larger water heater tank. Raise the water heater thermostat setting, but keep in mind this may decrease energy savings. Hopefully that solves your problems. If you're still not getting proper functioning out of the 200 series solar water heater system, contact FAFCO at 800-994-7652.